So many influencers talking about trauma bonding so casually in conversations, and all of them are wrong. Let me use a movie that I'm pretty sure you all have watched, and if not, go watch. It's on Netflix. A movie which is the guilty pleasure of all Wes Anderson fans. The movie that made us believe that a childhood fatty like you and me could become like this. Or a brown gal could be the most sought after woman in college in an extremely racist white country. And we all devoured it like it was the gospel of truth. Anyway, let's talk about Rahul. So, to explain it simply, the bond that Rahul shares with Yash Raichand, that's a trauma bond. Yash got him out from the streets and put him in a castle. Told him, "You're my everything. You're my first child. Hamare ghar ka diya," aka love bombing. And Rahul thought, "Oh my god, so much love. Wow, this feels so good. I will do everything to keep this love because Mr. Raichand, without you, I am so besahara." And then Yash made the statement, which I believe he would have used every time his adopted son got a little out of line. "तुमने साबित कर दिया, तुम मेरे खून नहीं हो." And now Rahul thinks, "Oh my god, so much hate. How do I convert it to so much love again? I'm dependent on him and his jaidat for survival. I don't want to go back to the streets. Please take me back. I'll do anything for your love." But Yash is like,
कहते हैं ना बस कह दिया
and then later, when Yash is in a more loving mood, he guilt trips Rahul only. Ki, "Arey, I'm elder. I'll say anything. You should still puja karo Mary because I got you from the streets into a castle, and that means I love you too much. So look over my abuse." And Rahul is like, "Yes, makes sense. I'm so sorry. I'm only wrong. I love you too much. Please don't nikalo me from the Jaidat." And this push and pull by Yash Raichand over the years again and again makes Rahul trauma bonded to him. Rahul is deeply attached to the high of getting that affection here and there that he keeps taking emotional abuse because he expects immense love after the abuse. That is what keeps him hooked. However, the relationship that Rahul has with Nandini, that is bonding over shared trauma, which most of you think is what trauma bonding is. So Nandini and Rahul both are emotionally abused by this patriarch who doesn't let them mingle with the kind of people they want to, aka Garib Lok. He doesn't let them decide where they want to go, aka Chandni Chowk. He makes them host the whole city and just stands on the side like, "मेहमानों को कोई कमी नहीं होनी चाहिए." And every time they ask for anything he doesn't like, he again goes, "कह दिया ना, बस कह दिया." Both of them are so frustrated because he treats them like every rich Indian business tycoon in Bollywood movies until the early 2000s, who was a patriarch and a classist who thought women and poor people are only there to serve his character arc. So these two victims used to bitch about him every chance they got and talk about how someday they'll free themselves from his atrocities. And that's how they bonded over the trauma that they both experienced, aka bonding over shared trauma. You're welcome.